How to clear search history on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application here. Now it will lead you to your home page, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Go to your profile. Now here, go here to your home page, and then on the upper right, you will see a search icon there. Tap on that. Now if you tap on here, it will automatically be on your search bar here, and under that you will see your recent searches. So to be able to clear your search history on TikTok is to individually delete that. And to do that is, for example, this Maria Clara and Ibarra here. And on the right side of that search bar, search history is you will see an X mark. Just tap on that and basically tap all your search history. And basically, that is how you clear search history on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.